Hello all, here I am showing you if else condition or program. So here I am taking a variable which is num1 equal to 10, and in my condition if num1 is greater than 0 then print num1 is negative. Num1 is negative, else print num1 is positive. Num1 is positive. Save it. If else problem. Run it. See here num1 is negative because I am printing here if num1 is greater than 0 and num1 is print number 1 is negative. I am changing changing it, and see here num1 is positive because num1 is greater than 10. Now change the value here. If num1 is divided by 2 then it is even, if not then it is odd. See here I am taking a variable equal to 11, num1 equal to 11, and save it and run it. See here it is not divisible by 2, means it is odd. I am taking two variables, num1 equal to 2 and num2 equal to 3. My condition is if num1 is num1 is greater than num2 then print num1 is greater. Num1 is greater, and also print num2 is smaller, or else print num2 is greater, num2 is greater and also print num1 is smaller. This condition is for two variables. Now run it, save it and run it. See here num2 is greater and num1 is smaller. Now I am changing the value and run it. See here num1 is greater, num2 is smaller. Okay, thank you.